In this video, I will show you how to apply for a Standard Chartered credit card online. To do this, first go to Standard Chartered's website, which is sc.com, and then set it to your location, which you can do in the top right here. Now, after going to the correct location for you, then you want to go to credit cards right here, and then what you can do is click compare credit cards, or if you already know which one you want to get, you can just go and select it. For example, the smart card right here. Now from there you can see with this one you can earn up to 5% cashback with selected merchants, and if you want to get it you can then click apply now, and then from there it will take you to the onboarding where you can first see all the fees and everything like that. For example, for cash advance it is 34.11%. And for normal retail purchases or financing, the charge for a purchase is 35.7% at this moment. So if you want to apply, you can then click on continue and keep clicking on that and then click I accept and understand. Then again, go through this and gonna read all of it and then click I accept and understand. And then from here, just go ahead and fill in your details to start your application, and then they will reach out to you. And if you're approved, you can then get the Standard Chartered credit card. So that's how to apply for the Standard Chartered credit card online. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.